4 beautiful acres of privacy, West/chickens allowed. No hoa and not in a subdivision. Charmingly renovated farmhouse with 4 rooms that can be used as bedrooms, 2 full baths, formal and informal dining areas, kitchen with ample pantry, laundry room with storage, screened porch, and front wrap-around covered porch. The living room features a propane fireplace and a wood stove. Primary suite commands the entire upper floor, with walk-in closet and full bathroom, as well as extra storage. There are storage buildings and a carport as well. Firepit area, chicken coop, and tons of space to be free in the privacy of your own little slice of Moore County. Within the 4 acres, you will find dogwoods, water oaks, magnolias, black walnut, American walnut, eastern red cedar, Chinese Photinia, eastern white pine, southern red oaks, silver maples, Loblolly Pines, Japanese maple, eastern redbud, and blueberry bushes, as well as many different flowering bushes. All plants and trees on the property were planted to provide beautiful color year-round. Septic is 2-bed 2021 improvement permit on file to expand system. Trampoline Conveys. Decorative Shelving does not convey.Seller wants to disclose that the upstairs shower does not leak, but the mortar and grout on floor of shower keeps releasing the pebbles. Probably will need to be redone, just the floor of shower.